Bonjour, adventurists. Bienvenue à Trois Rivières. Don't worry, you haven't tuned into a foreign language broadcast of Adventures with Paul. We are in Trois Rivières, which is in the French-speaking province of Quebec. And we are here today because it is raining and we are not going to be riding our bikes roughly 80 kilometers today in the rains. Here is the old jail, which you can visit and take a tour in, but there's no tours running today because it's Monday and everyone closes everything on Monday, it seems. That is the Musée du Pape. Little French lesson. Hôtel de Ville is the city hall. It is not a hotel. You cannot stay here. This pedestrian thoroughfare is the main pedestrian thoroughfare through the center of Trois Rivières, and full of restaurants and shops, and it's kind of empty on a Monday morning. Mezcal Taqueria. This place was awesome. Kath had some flautas pollo, which was chicken flautas, and I had an aguachile. We're ready to go. First thing to do is we got to put 2 bikes in 2 boxes for the bus. This is why we're taking the bus to Quebec City instead of riding. We are in Quebec City. Cass bike is assembled. I'm still working on mine, but we made it here, all using French. So I'm proud. I'm happy. We got here. Big weight off of my shoulders. Hello, adventurists. Still on with the change of plans. So we can't check into our Airbnb for another couple hours until about 4 o'clock, so we have an entire day. And we decided we're just going to ride around Quebec proper and explore the environs and visit the aquarium. What we're going to see today are not some of the typical Quebec City tourist sites. Here's the first time I've seen one of these. This is a park for parkour. Whoa! Parkour! 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 This is a nice section along the St. Charles River. They call this a parc linéaire, a linear park. Not looking forward to this hill, no sir. As expected, very tough. This is 12.5%, but you can't beat the view. Look who we meet at the top of the hill. Woo! That's a community garden where people can get a plot and grow their own fresh vegetables, which is a really, really cool, sustainable idea. We found a nice tree-lined path through the university. So far, all morning, about 7 miles so far, heading eastbound through Quebec. We found bike paths, bike lanes, paths. This is the touch tank. People are standing in line to touch fish. I do that every time I have fish and chips. When we get out of Quebec, we are taking that bike path straight across that bridge, which is the longest cantilevered bridge span in the world. So a little bit of history along with the bike tour. What do they got in there? King Kong, I am loving this bike infrastructure. That's one castle. There's more coming up. And here's the queen fit for the castle. Cows! The architecture on this place is historic because reasons. This guy did one or more significant things in history. Such monument, so history, much sculpture.